You won't believe this, but I started earning $1,000 a day without even owning a laptop. Just my phone, an internet connection, and one thing, skill stacking. I was scrolling Instagram one night when I saw a post about Excel-based freelancing. I didn't think much of it at first. I thought, that's for techies. But then I found mobile apps that let me use Excel and Google Sheets right from my phone, and suddenly it clicked. I took 3 free mini courses from YouTube, practiced daily on my phone, and listed myself on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Right from my browser, I started with small data entry gigs, or 300 here, if 500 there. But I delivered fast. I communicated clearly, and soon I became the go-to person for quick tasks. Within 3 weeks, I landed a regular client who paid $1,000 daily for less than 2 hours of work, all from my phone, no laptop, no office. Now you might say, that's your phone. You make videos. It's different for us. But that's just an excuse. Listen up. Every day you spend scrolling social media, you're just one good post away from an opportunity. Your phone is a portal to endless possibilities, and you can't afford to miss out. If you're thinking, I'll do it tomorrow, well, guess what? Tomorrow never comes. Or it does, but you're too busy scrolling to notice. You see, phones have made it easy for us to access information, to connect with people, to learn new skills. There are courses on everything from cooking to coding. You can master a new skill set in days, not years. But here's the catch. Phones have also made it easier to procrastinate. We're just a swipe away from endless entertainment, a double tap away from the next reel. So it's up to you. Will you use your phone to consume or create? Will you scroll mindlessly or swipe towards success? And here's some motivation for you. A friend did something similar. He learned graphic designing on his phone, started taking on small projects, and now he earns over 50,000 rupees a month. Another friend, he learned copywriting and now he charges 3,000 rupees for a small copywriting gig. Guess where he got his first clients from? You guessed it right, social media. So if they can do it, so can you. It's time to wake up to the possibilities around us. You don't need fancy setups or expensive gadgets to make money. You just need a smartphone and a winner's mindset. You can start small, maybe with data entry or proofreading, but do it today. Don't wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow you might be too busy scrolling to take action. This is your host, and remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.